Yo, come on, old man. I love my car. It's a sweet ride.
Hey, hi Preston, how you doing, man?
Hey, what's going on, buddy?
Not much, man. Another day, right?
Yeah, another day, another
What's up,
dollar.
man?
I'm gonna need the van today, bro.
Alright, I'll be back.
Cool. Cool, bro. Hey, man. What's your name?
David.
Dave, that's right. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting
That's
your
alright,
name.
no problem.
I know the other guys that work there. I have a question. Can you get off work? Can you drive the van today?
Jesus, I gotta work all day.
Come on, man.
It's just,
I'll give you $100.
Well, it's not your offer, so let's do it.
Can you just ask him if you can leave for a few hours?
I will.
Don't be
back.
cool with it.
Okay, alright.
You got your driver's license?
Yeah, I got everything.
Okay.
Alright, I'm all late.
Cool, man.
Everything's set up.
Cool, bro. What's your name again? I'm sorry.
Davey again, man.
Davey.
Davey.
David, nice to meet you,
Nice
man.
to meet you, Preston.
So,
You always see me around here.
I've seen you for a few months now. I just
I gotta go where, left or right?
anywhere, dude. Wherever you think there's gonna be girls. You know what I'm doing, right?
Yeah, I know what you're doing.
You got it. You know we're gonna be trying to pick up girls today.
Okay, let's go to Washington, maybe. Yes.
Washington, you think? So listen, if I see a girl that I like, if I see a girl I like, I'm gonna have you pull over, okay? And let me talk to her.
All right.
Hello, how are you? Are y'all from here? You look like tourists. Oh, slow down right here. Slow down. Hey, ladies, how you doing? Are you on vacation? Can I talk to you for a second? Where are y'all from? Are you from Atlanta? Are you from Orlando? Where are you from? Come here, let me talk to you for a second. I'm filming a documentary for really beautiful women. I'm serious. You have no idea. You three, all three of you. My God. Are y'all from here in Miami? Well, come. Why not? Tell me why not. Honestly, why can't you talk? I'll take you shopping. How about this? I'll give you a couple $100 to come with us. I'll take you to the closest mall. Oh my God. Do y'all realize what you got working for you? Whatever you do, don't go to the beach because guys will be all over you. I'm serious. What's your name anyways?
Nella.
Nella. God, Nella. How old are you? 23? 24? I'm close, right? Are these your friends? Damn. I'm really trying, aren't I? Alright, be good, girls. Have fun. Oh my God. That one black chick in the back?
Yeah, I like the black one.
She had a
She's
big
really
ass
nice.
tits, bro. Oh, right here, right here. Yeah. God.
That one out of it.
¿Cómo estás, ladies? Hi, how are you? How are you doing? My name is Preston. How you doing? What's your name?
Why are you filming me?
I want to see if I could take you to like a local mall or something and take you shopping. I think you're beautiful. Are you here for the modeling thing that's going on in town?
No, I'm not.
You're not? You should be.
Alright, see you later.
Yeah, see you later. Bitch. Hey, don't hang out with her. She's rude. Seriously. God, she was so fucking mean. I was trying to be nice to her and she just goes crazy on me. I'm supposed to pick up my boy today. Man, look at all this traffic. What the fuck?
Where's the second?
Yeah, take a left here.
Oh, yeah, right there it is.
Oh my, wait right here. Hello? Sweetheart. Baby. Oh my god, fuck. I love this corner though. 2nd Street and Collins. This is the spot to be. So many famous people come over here. It's ridiculous. Just waiting.
Hey man,
Sorry I'm late.
So long, man?
What's going on, man?
What took you so long?
I don't know, bro.
Oh, man, I've been here for 30 minutes.
I'm sorry, man. So you coming or not?
I'm coming. I'm ready to
Let's
jump
go,
in.
let's go. What's going on, kid? Come over here, bro.
Pretty good.
First time on in the van, huh?
First time in the van.
You excited?
Always. I'm always excited each and every day.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun today. We're gonna have a good time.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
This is my new driver today. He's pretty cool.
How you doing, man?
What's your name?
David.
How you doing? Commando.
Commando. What a name. Alright, well, we're not having much luck. We've been trying for a little while now, but hopefully you can help us out. We're gonna hit a couple other spots I know that are pretty good, but use that magic you told me you had. Is that cool?
Yeah, I'll use the magic stick. That's cool.
The magic stick, right? Oh my god. He just gave me the tongue. How you doing?
Wow.
Nice, very nice. My name is Preston. What's your name? What's your name? Can I talk to you for a second?
The chicken, she's 18.
Are you 18 years old? Come on, just for a second, ladies. Come on. You're making me look like a stalker right now. Here, I'll give you $100 each to talk to me. Here's $100 each. It's for you. Come on, here.
Come on, just for talk, man.
Oh my. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm not recording. I am? Really? It's a college, it's a project I'm doing. What, you don't want to hang out with me? I'll pay you. How about that? Can I pay you? Alright, let's go. Who are you calling? The cops? We are the cops. Go. Fucking bitch. What's with all these Spanish bitches being fucking bitches today? Seriously, they're starting to piss me off. I know what the problem is. None of these girls are tourists. Hey, what's up? What's going on, man?
How you doing?
What's happening?
Hey.
Not
Where
bad.
you heading
Are
now?
you all on vacation?
We're walking somewhere, man.
Where are you going?
Your ass on.
We'll give you a ride. Man, who the fuck is this guy anyways? Are those your sisters? Are they both your sisters? Dude. Go, dude. Fucking sluts. Hi there. How are you? How you guys doing? College students, right? Grads? College grads? Have a nice day, guys. She was cute. Take a left. Oh shit, wait, take a left here. Take a left. Ah, can you believe that? You suck, bro.
It's in the last minute to take left.
There we go.
Gotta get
Oh,
her.
shit. Oh, here we go. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Welcome to the van.
Hi, Van.
Yeah, we're picking people up and taking them wherever they want to go. It's pretty awesome. How are you? I'm Preston. Nice to meet you.
Preston. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Jalva.
Jalfa? Are you in college? Oh, that was like years ago, right?
Years ago.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie. It's nice to meet both of you.
You too.
Well, you know what? Since you talked to me, I'm going to give you each $100. Is that okay? Where are you heading? Are you heading to the Art Institute?
We're not.
We're not? Because we're heading out of here. We're getting out of town. We're wondering if you want to come with us.
Nope. Sorry.
You don't?
That way. Sorry.
Oh, come on. Let's go.
Nope.
Please?
Nope.
I think you're beautiful, though.
Thank you.
I think you have the most amazing lips.
Thank you.
And you got an amazing body.
Thank you.
I would love to just touch you once.
Sorry.
Just once?
Bye.
All right. Have a nice day.
You too.
Shit. Are you sure?
I'm sure. I'm very sure.
Fucking hottie.